Welcome to the overview of the LinkedIn Job Scraper lead generation workflow, powered by N8N and Apify. The journey begins when the user manually triggers the workflow. This is done through the node called when clicking Test Workflow. It initiates the job scraping sequence. LinkedIn Job Scraper. Next, we launched the LinkedIn Job Scraper using the Apify API. This scraper searches for sales development representative or SDR jobs, specifically in the United States. It filters by experience level and work type and returns up to 2 job listings per request. The response includes a dataset ID, which is critical for retrieving job details later. Is the dataset available? Before continuing, we need to verify that the dataset actually contains job data. This is handled in 2 parts. A code node named Verify Dataset Availability checks if the dataset JSO isn't empty. Then, the dataset available. If node decides whether to move forward or retry the process after a short wait. Yes, the dataset availability is fully verified here before continuing. LinkedIn Company Scraper. Once job listings are confirmed, the LinkedIn Company Scraper extracts company profile information using the company's LinkedIn URL. The HTML content from the profile is cleaned and converted into readable plain text, making it easier to analyze later on. Is the poster name available? Another important check follows. The workflow uses the poster name available. If no, to see if the job listing includes the poster's full name. If it's available, the system proceeds to find the contact email and generate personalized content. Yes, the workflow can confirm whether the poster name is available by checking the poster full name field. Scraping the company website. Using AI, the workflow extracts the company's website from the LinkedIn content and scrapes its homepage. The HTML is cleaned up, and the system reads plain text for deeper analysis. AI-powered analysis. Multiple AI-powered nodes process the content. They extract company milestones, testimonials, and success stories. They clean and simplify the company name. They even identify the first name of the contact person based on the email format. This gives us a full understanding of the company and its growth story, perfect for personalized messaging. Personalized email generation. With all this information, the system auto-generates 2 types of cold emails using GPT-4. A structured, outreach-style version. A casual, friendly version that references the company's success. Both are short, human-sounding, and tailored to the company's business. Airtable output. Finally, the generated emails and insights are saved into an Airtable database, ready for outreach campaigns or further review. Benefit of this workflow. This workflow is a powerful lead generation engine. It combines real-time data from LinkedIn and company websites with intelligent AI analysis, helping you identify opportunities, generate custom messages, and reach the right decision-makers at scale. And best of all, it runs hands-free, from scraping to email. That's the power of N8N automation. Thanks for watching.